Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of each binomial square displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I am going to use the formula for binomial square a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial x minus y in parentheses squared, x corresponds to the a in the formula, and y corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, I get x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. In the next binomial, b minus a in parentheses squared, b corresponds to the a in the formula, and a corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, this equals to b squared minus 2ba plus a squared. And when I write this in a standard form where the variables are listed in alphabetical order, this equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In the next binomial, m minus n in parentheses squared, m corresponds to the a in the formula, n corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, this equals to m squared minus 2mn plus n squared. And respectively, p minus q in parentheses squared equals to p squared minus 2pq plus q squared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.